cardinality of a set means the size of that set. How do you measure the size? The size depends on the total number of elements in a set. So in this problem, I have a universal set. The universal is x is an integer and x is between 0 and 20. So let's write all the elements out. So u is equals to braces 0 to 20. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So how big is this universal set? How many numbers do you see in these braces? So I just wrote 21 numbers from 0 to 10. 1 to 20 is 20 numbers. If you add the 0 in, then that will be 21 numbers. So the way we express cardinality, the size, here is how we do it. We write n parenthesis u is equal to 21. That means the cardinality of the universal set is 21. That means there are 21 elements, 21 numbers in the universal set. How about set A? Set A is from 3 to 16. How many numbers do you have in the braces? So the answer is 14, right? So the 14, so we write n A is equal to 14. From 1 to 16, there are 16 numbers, but you take out the 1 and 2, so 16 minus 2 is 14. So there are 14 elements in set A. What about set B? Set B, 10, 20, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So there are 6 elements. Then the cardinality of set B is 6. So we write the cardinality of set B is equals to 6. Okay, let's fill out the Venn diagram. First of all, we have an intersection between A and B. So what's the intersection? The intersection is you look at set A, you look at set B. Do they share any elements in common? The answer is yes. First of all, they share the 10 in common. They share the 12. They share the 14. And they share the 16. Okay, so that means they go to the intersection. So 10, 12, 14, 16. So we write A intersect B. So that means A and B, that is equal to 10, 12, 14, and 16. And then what is the cardinality? The cardinality is 4 because there are 4 elements. So the cardinality of A intersect B is equal to 4. Alright, so after we finish the intersection, how many units do we have in A? So the rest, look at set A, I underline 4 numbers, right? So the rest goes to A. So that is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 13, and 15. So what is... Oh, this one, if you say, hey, if you put some numbers in the intersection that reduce the cardinality of set A, right? The answer is no. If you consider the entire set A, that includes all the numbers in red plus the numbers in blue. What about set B? Set B, so after you toss 4 numbers to the intersection, you have 18 and 20. Remember, no repetition, all right? No repetition. So what do I mean by no repetition? That means you cannot put 10, 12, 14, and 16 in the orange circle B anymore because you already count them on the intersection. So you should erase them. Do not count the repetition. All right. And then what else do we need to take care? So the universal set contains all the integers from 0 to 20. Okay, we have A, we have B, we have their intersection. So what is not included? I can see that based on the U, the A, and the B, the 0, 1, and 2 is not counted, right? So the 0, the 1, and the 2, they are not counted. What else? I can see that the 17 and 19, they are also not counted. So we, from set A, from 3 to 16, we miss the 0, 1, and 2. In set A, we miss 17, 18, 19, 20, but the 16 and the 18, they are in set B. So that means we only have 17 and 19 left. So if you look at the universal set, now we have all the numbers. So 0, 1, and 2 in yellow, and then 3 to 16 in the circle A and the intersection, and then 17, 19, 18, and 20. So now we have all 21 numbers. So if you count carefully, there are 21 numbers in the universal set. Okay, let's do more. How about A union B? Here, A union B. Let's use another color. So A union B. How many numbers are in A union B? So A union B means the blue, the orange, and the red. So that means we have to go from 3 to 16, right? So let's write this down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, and then what else? No repetition. So if you go all the way up to 16, then we have 18 and 20. So that's all the numbers in blue, in orange, and in red. And then what's the cardinality? So this is A or B. What's the cardinality? So the N, A union B, and then you count, right? So from 3 to 16, we have 14 numbers. 14 numbers plus the 18 plus the 20 is 16 numbers. So that is equals to 16. All right, and I want to do one more. How about A union B complement? A union B complement. So A union B, how about the complement? What does that mean? The complement is, other than those 16 numbers you just counted, what is not included? So what is not included in the A union B? The answer is everything outside of those two circles, which is 0, 1, 2, 17, and 19. So what is the cardinality? So the size of A union B complement is there are 5 elements, so that is equals to 5. Alright, so that is the end of this video. If you think my instruction is helpful, let me know in the comment below. Like the video, share the video for me, subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next video. Signing out for now.